गुलबर्गा शहर के आजादपुर रोड पर मौजूद अल तैबा इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल में इन्वेस्टिचर सेरेमनी ऑर्गेनाइज की गई। इस प्रोग्राम का मकसद स्टूडेंट्स में लीडरशिप, डिसिप्लिन और जिम्मेदारी का एहसास पैदा करना था ताकि वह मुस्तकबिल में बेहतर रहनुमा बन सकें। प्रोग्राम का आगाज असफिया फातिमा नामी स्टूडेंट की तिलावत कुरान पाक से हुआ। इसके बाद मोहम्मद अफनान ने हम्द पेश की, जबकि बुशरा फातिमा ने अपनी दिलकश नात पेश करके प्रोग्राम को और भी खूबसूरत बना दिया। इस मौके पर स्कूल के सफ़ा, मरवाह, कस्वा और सुफाह नामी 4 हाउसेस के लिए सीनियर और जूनियर कैप्टन, वाइस कैप्टन के साथ सीनियर और जूनियर हेड बॉय और हेड गर्ल का ऐलान किया गया। साथ ही इन स्टूडेंट्स को उनकी जिम्मेदारियां भी सौंपी गईं। इस प्रोग्राम में स्कूल चेयरमैन मोहम्मद मंसूर जुनेदी, जॉइंट सेक्रेटरी अस्मा परवीन, हेडमिस्ट्रेस नाजिया तजावीन, हाई स्कूल कोऑर्डिनेटर सादिया अमरीन, प्राइमरी स्कूल कोऑर्डिनेटर फरहा फातिमा, स्कूल एडमिन मोहम्मद शमसुद्दीन और मौलाना शेख सलीमुद्दीन निज़ामी ने शिरकत की। मेहमानों ने मुंतखब तलबा को मुबारकबाद देते हुए कहा कि वह अपनी जिम्मेदारियां ईमानदारी, डिसिप्लिन और खिदमत के जज्बे के साथ निभाएं और दूसरे स्टूडेंट्स के लिए मिसाल बने। स्कूल इंतजामिया के मुताबिक इस तरह की तकरीबात बच्चों में लीडरशिप, सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस और टीम वर्क को मजबूत बनाती हैं और उन्हें ज़िंदगी की बड़ी जिम्मेदारियों के लिए तैयार करती हैं।
Vice principal, teachers and my dear friends.
Today is the day of pride and responsibility. We gather here for the Investiture Ceremony 2026, where we entrust our young leaders with duties and badges of honor.
Thank you for giving me this amazing opportunity. I will do my best and work hard to be a captain and inspire everyone. Thank you. For teachers and my dear friends, I am Atumari from class 8. Today I feel deeply honored to present as the Vice Captain of Supaho.
Management, teachers, and my dear friends. Good afternoon to one and all. Myself as Novosya of class 6. Today I am honored to stand before you as the junior captain of Blue Teams of our house. I am grateful to our principal and teachers for giving me this opportunity and trusting me for this responsibility. I promise to encourage teamwork, discipline, and respect among all members of our house. Thank you.
Dear friends, my name is Aisha Sunera from class 10, and I am honored to stand before you today as the head girl of this school. Being a head girl is not just about wearing a badge or holding a title. It is about being responsible, honest, respectful, and always ready to help others. As I am chosen your head girl, I promise to represent each and every student with fairness and respect. Let me thank to our principals, teachers for giving me this wonderful opportunity to grow as a leader. Let us make our school and one brighter place for everyone, and I will do my best to make our school proud. Thank you one and all, and have a wonderful day.
Hello everyone, myself Yukratam K from 7th standard. I am honored to stand before you as the junior head girl of our school. I sincerely thank my teachers and schoolmates for their trust and support. My name is Miran Hussain and I am from 7th standard.
I am honored to stand before you today as the new captain of Safa House. Remember, we are not just a house, we are a force to be reckoned with. Together, we will bring energy, passion, and an unstoppable spirit to every single challenge. Let's make this year unforgettable and show everyone what Safa House is made of. Thank you.
I am Abdul Muqtadir from class 8. I am honored to be the vice captain of Safa House. I will promise to perform my duties with honesty, discipline and dedication. I will encourage teamwork, respect and sportsmanship among all our house members. Together we will work hard to make Safa House proud. Thank you.
I am very grateful that I have been selected as a junior captain of Safa House.
It would be a great honor to serve our school. I believe a vice captain should be responsible, honest and disciplined and always ready to help others.
Leadership is not about power, it's about responsibility. Myself, Taiba from class 6 standard, and I am learning for House junior captain.
I am deeply honored to stand before you as a newly elected vice captain of Marwa House. Marwa represents brightness of the sun, energy and hope. I promise to bring the same dedication in our team. My main responsibility is to lead our team with discipline, sportsmanship and teamwork.
I, torch bearer of Taiba English Medium School,
Of Taiba English Medium School,
have been appointed
has been appointed
as the school leader,
as the school leader,
solemnly pledged
solemnly pledged
to uphold the honor,
to uphold the honor,
dignity and value
dignity and reputation
of my school.
of my school.
I promise to lead
I promise to lead
by example
by example
with integrity,
with integrity,
fairness
fairness,
and compassion.
and compassion.
I will dedicate
I will dedicate
my sincere effort
my sincere effort
to maintaining discipline,
to maintaining discipline,
respecting my teachers
respecting my teachers,
and guiding my fellow students.
and guiding my fellow students.
I vow to place
I work to place
the needs of the student body
the needs of the student body
and the prestige
and the prestige
of our institution
of our future
above personal interest.
above personal interests.
All my actions
All my actions,
I will strive to uphold
I will strive to uphold
our school's motto.
our school's motto.
So help me God.
So help me God.